At A1 Chemicals and Equipment, our story is all about dedication. Dedication to safety, innovation, and to the people who rely on us every day. With over 50 years of industry experience, we're proud to be a full-service supplier of industrial cleaning chemicals and high-pressure cleaning systems. But we're more than just a supplier. We're problem solvers, strategists, and partners. What sets us apart from our competitors is the ability to provide quick turnaround time for quality products and services. Our ability to blend and store products in our EPA-approved facility and stock over $250,000 worth of pressure washer pumps, motors, and parts allows us to meet your needs quickly. Our goal? To provide the safest and most effective cleaning solutions, helping our customers become more efficient while reducing operational costs. We specialize in developing chemical solutions for a wide range of industrial applications, including interior and exterior tank cleaning, vapor and odor control, wastewater treatment, spill response, and beyond. Our industrial cleaning product line offers solutions for a wide range of difficult cleans, such as latex, polymer, epoxy resins, heavy oils, isocyanates, and more. Paired with our extensive knowledge of cleaning processes and procedures, our solutions help customers save money and clean safely. Our ability to support customers includes access to our on-site lab team. Here, we've taken 3 samples. The first is a polyacrylamide polymer reacting with our PK21 polymer cleaner. Within minutes, our product breaks the chain of the polymer, making it easy to rinse. The second sample is a hardened latex reacting with our SpectraClean 7000 pre-sol. Again, within minutes, our product turns the hardened latex into jelly. This makes it easier to remove, reducing labor costs. Here, we are running a sample treatability analysis for a project that requires the removal and processing of tank bottoms. The data we collect is used to ensure chemical treatment efficacy and allows customers to forecast treatment and disposal costs. Not only do we specialize in cleaning chemistry, but we also design and build custom cleaning systems. A1's fabrication shop capabilities include fabricating tanks, vats, piping manifolds, and much more. We build, assemble, and test hot vat wash systems, including automated systems. A1 uses computer-aided drafting to design systems tailored to customers' needs. We also design and build high-volume cleaning systems known as bean pumps for our industrial service customers. We also designed small-scale equipment to aid the cleaning process. Our Eliminator Kit and Pre-Solve Kit are scaled-down versions of recirculation systems to pre-soak tanks before a hot chemical wash. We also offer foggers for tank passivation. Along with our extensive product line, A1 offers customers an easy-to-use exterior chemical application system and pressure washers that make exterior tank cleaning easy. What happens if this equipment malfunctions? Our service technicians are available to diagnose and fix the problem. At A1, customer satisfaction is more than a promise. It's our standard. We exceed expectations through our proven products, superior service, and a commitment to excellence that has set the industry standard for decades. Reach out today and experience the A1 difference. We are a one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs.